Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River, Eastern Bay, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 nautical miles southwest of Chesapeake Beach, moving northeast at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and large hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, floaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Hail may damage your vessel. Locations impacted include Parsons Island, Knapp's Narrows Bridge, Tillman Island, Eastern Bay, Highland Beach, Roman Cove, Bloody Point Light, Mattapique, Thomas Point Light, Poplar Island, Shadyside, Mayo, Chesapeake Beach, and Deal. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Here is the official